Here's a very happy forsythia plant. I'm going to show you a few details of the stems. So here you can see, let's just look down at the base. There's multiple stems here, and these are older growth, obviously, and then coming off of each of the stems you have, this year's growth, which is green and new. So this would be an example of primary growth just this year, and this is an example of secondary growth where the stem has gotten wider and a little more weathered with a thicker layer of bark. So if we take a closer look at the stem, you see these raised lenticels, and these are the pores that are used to facilitate gas exchange along the stem, and that's one of the most prominent features of forsythia plants. And then if you were to look along this stem, let's just say, for example, you can see it going up here, and you can see the spaces in between the branches right here would be an internode, and then this would have been an axillary bud where a stem grew. If we look at this little section of primary growth here, we can see the new leaves coming off in pairs, and that's another characteristic feature of forsythia. And then if we kind of zoom in on on these leaves, they are connected to the stem by a small stalk called a petiole, and there's no stipule, another appendage where the leaf meets the stem, and then they have these kind of ovate leaves that are toothed at the end.